Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about the biggest mistake which we make while learning English. So instead of speaking English, we are learning so much about English. Listen, I am not saying that learning so much about English is wrong, but we are not speaking enough. Our practice of speaking English is not enough. No matter how much we learn about English, but if we are not speaking English, that is of no use. And that's why I am saying we have to start speaking in English. Listen, we watch a lot of English shows. We are reading English books to learn English. We are doing so much, but we are not speaking in English. We know so much about English, but we are not speaking. And that's the biggest mistake which we make while learning English. Learning so much about English is a good thing, but along with that, we have to start speaking in English. We can start speaking with small words, then with small sentences, and that's how we will start speaking slowly and gradually. Start speaking with whatever you know about English. You can make mistakes while speaking English, but that's okay. Listen, as I said, we can start with small words. You can add small English words while talking. Suppose you speak in Hindi, but while speaking in Hindi, you can speak a lot of small English words too. Then slowly start with small English sentences. And while speaking English, you can make mistakes, and that's completely okay because that's how you are gonna learn English. Slowly and gradually, your vocabulary and your grammar will improve by its own. Because along with speaking in English, we are also learning so much about English, and that's how we can improve our English. I have also told you in my previous video that how I used to do English practice alone, and that's how you can do your English practice. Start speaking with yourself, then start speaking in English with others. And that's how slowly and gradually you will improve your English. Just start with small English words and then with small sentences, and you will see you can actually speak in English. That's how you can start doing English speaking practice. Listen, the main thing that I want to tell you in this video is that along with learning English, you have to start speaking as well. Because if we are only learning English and we are not speaking in English, this is not gonna help us. So we have to start speaking in English, and that's what I want to tell you. जितना भी हमें आता है, हम उसके साथ ही शुरुआत कर सकते हैं. स्टार्टिंग में हो सकता है कि हम इंग्लिश बोलते वक्त गलतियां करें, but that's completely okay. Because that's how we are gonna learn English. Learning grammar, learning tenses, learning vocabulary is very important. But along with learning so much about English, at the end of the day, we have to start speaking in English as well as. And that's what I want to tell you, that you can learn so much about English, but along with that, you have to start speaking in English as well as. So, while learning English, you have to start doing your English speaking practice. So I hope you all find this video useful. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching the video.